Okay, so welcome everybody to Yarn and Abroad with K Sweetness. We are a little behind, but yeah. Welcome everybody to Yarn and Abroad with K Sweetness, where we here in Jamaica, I'm here in Jamaica, bringing Jamaica to tag. And there's a lot of us on here. There's a lot of us on here that are actually from Jamaica, but likewise there are a lot of people on here from different walks of the wood. Alright, know. In a this alive here, we don't really chat English, we not talk English, but then most from time to time I'm gonna flip it because know different type of people, different environments. So again, welcome everybody to Yard and Abroad, where we teach you the Jamaican culture, the diaspora, our language, why we talk like how we talk, what we about, the whole thing, right? So before we kick things up, we want you to type in the chat, guys. Type in the chat. What are you grateful for? Let me see in the chat. What are some of the things that you're grateful for, guys? Participation, guys. Just work with me a little bit. I'm kind of hot and I don't know why me I sweat so, but I'm kind of hot. But welcome everybody. Welcome. So tonight is gonna be an interesting night. We'll have two professional young men joining us tonight, and I'm so excited. So again, type in the chat, guys. What are you grateful for? Let me know what you're grateful for. We like talk about the grateful for because while some people we're here celebrating life. Life is important, and once you're here, that means say you have life. So let me know what you're grateful for. That's some of the biggest things. That's one of the biggest things to be grateful for, life. So let me know in the chat, in the chat, in the chat, in the chat. I have some people in the chat. Let me know, let me know, let me know what you're grateful for. What are you grateful for? So tonight we have two persons joining us. One is from Grenada, I think. Father God, if me wrong, forgive me. But we have two young men from the Caribbean. One is from Yard and one is from God. Me did think something wrong a while ago, I was so worried. I was so worried just now. But yeah, one is from Grenada and Dominica. Is representing both countries. The other one is from Jamaica, right? All right. So again, type it in the chat. Type it in the chat. Type it in the chat. What are you grateful for? Now the phrase or the proverbs that we are working with today is never eat the food while it's hot. No eat the food while it's hot. I think it's okay. Don't eat the food while it's hot. to the live right now is Mr. CEO. CEO, I see that you already requested the box, so let's
Long bef-
go.
hold on. So I'm going to start off this show different. Everybody comes to your show
Hold
and
on.
they just talk.
Wait, I forgot. I didn't have in the plug part. Yes, yes. Let's go.
All
Yes,
right.
yes,
So you
yes.
ready?
My
So
earphone.
this is how we're going to start it off. I'm going to introduce you to a little bit of Dominica right now, musically. Listen this.
Squeeze. Come, baby, come close. I wanna hold you again. Nana yeah, nana soon as I enter the dance, my eyes were on you. Not that the tempo songs that they play. Go look the rest too. Now that they change up the track, I will make a look. Say peace, baby, yes. Wanna rest my head on you. Hey, nana
Right. Never. I never hear them song there yet. So you know what I'm saying. That one
So
was
it
new to me. Again, guys. Welcome to the box. Welcome to the box. Welcome to the live. Welcome to Yard, cause he's abroad and media Yard. So he's broad and we there Yard. So welcome to Yard and abroad with Taste Sweetness again. We do this every night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? This show was made to educate, inform, bring together, teach people different culture, language, and also teach you about the Jamaican culture, language, the whole works. In the box, we have Mr. CEO, who's representing Grenada and Dominica. First and foremost, well, we love the intro just now. We love the intro. I don't know about nobody else, but me love that intro there a while ago. So before we kick things off, just introduce yourself and let the people know when and how and where your live, how your live go.
okay. So for those of you who are part of from Jamaica, so me I go come through and show know that make a talk the thing too. You know, even if I'm not from the country, but them call me the CEO, the Chief Entertainment Officer. I am a radio personality. I represent for a company that is called RTM Rough Touch Movement Radio, and it is owned by Jamaicans, by the way. So that's why me have to know how me have to, that's how me have to know how to talk the part properly. You see it? I've been a part of the music fraternity in Dominica for like 20. Actually, July 5th will make it 25 years. So some of you, if you wanna do mathematics, I ain't gonna tell you when to start, but that should tell all you, me not very young, but me old enough for me know what I go on. See it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. All right. And say him a do the business for 25 years. You know, some of we never really born them time then. Me I know one of them too. So I'm born when Gilbert did that, but me did that. Me did that already. Me did that on the land. All right. So
Well,
tell
me
us.
did there long before Gilbert
Yeah,
I eat.
yeah. Lord God.
Yeah,
So
man.
tell me now, how long you been on the app?
Um, not long though, just like couple months, really and truly.
Couple months.
And yeah, really and truly. I mean, before like couple years ago, a few years ago, I was on it, then I got off, and I only came back when I noticed. I only came back the other day when I noticed the whole streaming vibe was going on. Cause
Wow,
any any
wow. So that means
any any opportunity you get to stream and expose and show yourself is a good thing. That's how I look at it.
right, right. And me for one can attest to that because me up on the app from what it is. I've on here for like 13 years and the app is way older than that. So that goes to show that the app is very old. You get what me I say? So be there a long time. I watch the thing and I pray the thing and I say, yeah, me there a long time. But it's just that me never like the whole streaming things. So me never really run it down until such time. But yeah, in between time. So tell me, what? Let's see. So you represent two countries. I
Yes,
don't know how, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't ask me why this man represent two countries. He
I
might
will
go
explain it.
explain too, no? He might
So
go
let's get
explain too, no?
so let's get it. Let us first start off. If you watch my name and you're on this app, you see the first flag you see is a Grenada flag. That is because that is the country I was born in. But the country that
Mm-hmm.
my parents are from and I have spent half my life in is the Commonwealth of Dominica, not to be mistaken with the Dominican Republic. No, we do not habla español. If you hear me habloing, is because I went to school and I learned it. It's not because it's my natural language.
Hear that? So we don't want to mix up Dominica with Dominican and the Republic, the Dominica Republic. Would this E
But
represent Dominica?
there's a joke about this though.
Dama-
When you're done, say what you say.
yes. So E represent Dominica and Dominica and Grenada. Not Dominica Republic. Him not speak Spanish, so I'm not ask him to talk to me in Spanish. Him not gonna know how to do it.
However,
Yes.
in terms of our governmental structure, the Commonwealth of Dominica is a republic because we do not have a governor general as our head of state. We have a president. So so
I'm confused.
so it's going to confuse you. So let's say it again.
Hmm?
We are not our official. We are not the Dominican Republic because we don't speak Spanish. But the island of Dominica is politically a republic because if you look at what a republic status is, a republic has a president as its head. Dominica does have a president as the head of state. We do not subscribe anything in terms of our political structure or governmental structure has nothing to do with permission from the Queen, although we are a member of the Commonwealth.
You hear that? I'm a part of the Commonwealth, but them kind of independent away, them get away. And I like so, and I like Jamaica, because right now Jamaica work hard to broke away. And we are try broke away from Queenie, but Queenie kind of hold on for with tight and now because she send her minions them, let's say, be respectful. She send the prince and him wife for the year come here. And you know, we don't start out and I try talk out the thing and I try
Yeah,
say, wow,
yeah,
come
because
out of it.
she lose her other big child. You understand? Barbados done told her bye bye. Barbados is now officially a republic, so it's a simple thing. Now, just
Yes.
also to tell you this about Dominica. Dominica was and was, yes, a former French and English colony. So what you would find is historically what would happen is anytime the French and the English would fight, and whoever won, if the French won, Dominica would be theirs. If the English won, Dominica would be theirs. So that happened for a while until eventually we just remained English. So just like Haiti, they do speak French patois.
French Creole.
Yes, a French Creole patois. Yes.
No, on
It's
speak with we chat. Me not think you know one mix it up. French Creole is different from French patois. Now, but I come mix up the thing and confuse the people them. Listen me, make you correct this. So I know so we not really want them. Yeah. Listen, we speak patois. In this country, we speak patois. Right?
so hold on.
Jamaica speak
Hold on, hold on.
patois.
Hold on.
Haiti,
So a
hold on.
definition,
Wait there. Haiti
right?
speak Creole.
Right.
Creole, and we the full on the patois. And then
Right. But
Dominica, since you guys speak French, just like probably 80 speak French too, but you know them have them little twang with the Creole. Yeah,
no,
I think you
so
want well on power patois still.
so basically, so not to sound like a brainiac or anything, but the definition of a patois is a style, a different is a, it how you say that. So a patois is derived from a different from an originating language. So
Mm-hmm.
English, you all Jamaicans speak an English patois, whereas in
Mm-hmm.
Dominica we speak a French patois, which we also call Creole, but it's similar to the French Creole. And again, Dominica is situated between two French islands. So
Well, your country still, you are educate me, so me the fuck take what you say. Or we still a one lamp and say we talk patois, and we go
no
lamp on that. But
argument,
yeah, we're not gonna do the debate. We're not gonna do the debate.
no
We're not gonna do
argument on that.
we're not gonna do it. But yeah, so you say you speak French Creole, so that means that somehow no talking kind of probably different. The good thing about this guest is that he understands patois. So
Right,
this show is based around patois, right? It's based
right.
somewhere around patois. Even though we're gonna have from time to time, we're gonna have guests when I gonna understand we so you know we're gonna speak proper English from time to time. But this guest understand how we speak, how the whole running. So we not have to really break
Yes.
it down, twang it up, and
No,
we kind of be
no.
realistic with
Yes,
CEO. So CEO, you say you speak a little French Creole. So that means that y'all accent are full talk than a different from we. Is it that you just
yes.
kind of focus on French or there you go?
No, well, the whole thing is, personally, is this. Dominica, English is the official language, so everybody does speak English. But
Mm-hmm.
because of the French influence, you find that the French Creole is also spoken as part of the unofficial language, or as you say, you know what I'm saying. So,
Mm-hmm.
for
Mm-hmm.
example, there's a during Independence time. That is when a lot of the cultural stuff is done. That's when you get people to dress up in the national wear, and they take times to sing songs, Creole songs, um,
Mm-hmm.
and all that. That is when you find you get to get a lot more of that culture. Right now, they're trying to keep
Mm-hmm.
the culture alive because it's dying out. Also, this is something that is not well known about Dominica. Dominica is probably one of the only Caribbean islands that still has its authentic, how you call it, indigenous people still living there.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
we have we have the descendants of what is called the Carib Indians still
Mm-hmm.
living on the island.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, it's not PC to call them Carib. They're supposed to be called the Kalinago people. So I'm going to use the correct name, the Kalinago people. And they live in an entire portion of the country which was assigned to them during and after colonization, called the Kalinago territory. It is a very big piece of land. So, and they don't have to buy the land or anything, just pick their portion and that's theirs because it's
All
their
right.
own to do whatever. So that is where Dominica's culture takes a twist, where you get to actually see the actual indigenous people themselves perform and speak their own language, which I cannot speak, unfortunately. Although
Okay.
I have some
Okay.
of their blood flowing through me, but I can't speak it.
So that means say him a kind of one alien in a my term, him a one little alien. But again, guys, welcome again to Yard and Abroad with Case Sweetness. This show is structured is a culture show where we link in we are yard, we are yard, but we have one for friends abroad, so we are linked, teaching you the Jamaican culture, language, but not only that, linking with different people around the world on the app, also outside of the app. So don't think say all the time we're gonna see somebody from this app on the might see a guest star, somebody strange pop up. And we do this every single Friday night at 9 p.m. Eastern. But me see the chat kind of get quiet. So I kind of want to know if you're still there. Let me know if you're still there. If you're still there, type of A for me. Let me get that A. I me get a D for Dominica. Let me get one little piece of D. Me not pressure on me just want a D. Let me know some still that I watch and stuff. We don't know say Gunny is going on right now. Most people not here. But we understand but the show must go on. But right
Yeah, yeah.
now in the box we have Mr. CEO from representing Dominica and also Grenada. But we are focused more on Dominica. So tell
For
me
now.
now, what are some of the unique? Cause me hear some unique things about Dominica. Some kind of way you enlighten the crowd and let us know what are some of the
Where,
unique things
what are the
about
unique things
Dominica.
about Dominica? So Dominica is 95% natural. It is 95% of it is forest, rainforest, mountains, rivers, um, lakes. We actually have the world's second largest active boiling lake. So it's for those of you who don't know what a boiling lake is, it's a volcanic crater with water in it and it's bubbling.
Boiling
We
lake,
have a yes,
volcano.
yeah. We also have a lot of sulfur springs and so forth. Um, yeah,
I also hear sound of 365 beach. Kind of
no,
enlighten me how that go.
no. We have
Another
365.
Dominica
We have 365 rivers difference.
river. You see?
Yes.
Me know something. Me know look of something. We not have 365 river. Me not understand how we get
Yeah.
365. So guys,
Right.
every day, we can go on different river. Just true.
Right.
You imagine?
For those of you who have watched Pirates of the Caribbean 2 and 3 was filmed in Dominica.
Mm-mm. You know?
Yep.
You know?
There
But
there
yes,
are
so
certain
if
there yeah, there are certain parts of it that was like for those of you who don't understand, there are certain parts of it that were shot in different sections of the island and so forth and so forth. But yes, it was. You were going to ask.
yes. So tell me now, as a tourist coming into Dominica, you know travel is about travel. As a tourist coming into Dominica, what are where are some of the places that you would recommend for us to come to Dominica? Where
So
would you
when you come
recommend?
to So when you come to Dominica, I definitely would recommend that you visit the first place you need to visit. It's a must. Is what we call T2 Gouache. It's a waterfall, sort of, but it's inside a cave area, and there you actually get cold and warm water at the same time. That's one of the areas I would
Mm-hmm.
recommend you visit. Another area I would definitely say you should visit is the part of the island called Scott's Head. Now, it's the furthest southern point on the island where something like a little toe sticks out. But on either side, on one side, when you stand up on that toe, on one side you have the Caribbean Sea, and on the other side you have the
Mm-hmm.
Atlantic Ocean. So you have that experience. When you go up on the hill, you have this nice view of the surrounding village of Soufriere and Scott's Head. Soufriere also, if you go there because of the hot water springs, you could go to the spring, go to this sulfur pool, nice pool, nice warm water, get your body rejuvenated. Definitely tell you need to go to the town of Portsmouth to visit the Cabrits, which is an old fort which is on top of a hill. Very beautiful views, all that. What else? Shoot. Yo, Dominica has
Mm-hmm.
so much natural beauty, it's difficult to tell you where to go.
So make we yes. So make we talk about the food part now, cause you don't know say everybody love food. I don't know if nobody else love them belly, but me love my belly. Me not even act like I pretend like
Yeah,
me love my belly. So what are
yeah.
like what are some of them like what are your most let's say food? What 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 what's the most let's say can you know in Jamaica we have food that are authentic to us. What are your the food that you guys eat or you guys prepare that is
The
definitely
the
off Dominica?
the funny thing about
Uh,
it
You
is
know, people come at
a
Dominica just to try the food there.
boy. Let me tell you about it. We have what we call codfish sandcoach, which is you stew the codfish in a coconut water, coconut milk, and all that, and then you have that.
And like
Um,
rundown,
r- what you all call rundown. Um,
but with the
we
salt
also
mackerel.
right. So we do that with codfish. We also have, I mean, crab callaloo soup. That's something that really takes place in Grenada. That in Dominica. I can't, Dominica food is not Dominican food is thing. Now here's something that you may not have known. The national dish of Dominica is called mountain chicken, frog.
Mm-mm.
However,
No, I ain't no
hold
more.
on,
Mm-mm.
hold on. However, at this point in time, because the frogs are now considered an endangered species, they no longer eat that. But before it used to be the frog. You know what I mean?
That's so much frog when they used to have. That's when they used to have frog for the national dish.
Well,
I can't
don't watch me.
understand.
Don't listen to me. Don't ask me. No. I come and that is what I come. I ask the from a small. That's what I know. But I mean, we eat a lot of regular food like everybody else, like the lentil soup, the red bean soup, you know, um, sauce, yo, just name a thing with us cook it.
Oh my, Jano, frog. I don't want to go
But
to
no,
Dominica then. No, I don't want to no cook no
no,
frog. Give me. I don't want a
we
frog.
won't.
I
No,
can't come here.
we don't. Like I said, it's no longer eaten as it's no
Some
longer eaten
people
like that.
still have farm the frog them. I farm the frog them under the down low. At Caribbean come from we have
It's
fish and trade. Man,
yo,
it's in a business.
it's against right now. It's against
You
international
think the
law to
people
do
not
so.
catch crocodile at Jamaica and eat them? You think the people not catch crocodile at
Well,
Jamaica and shark and some there?
well, well, it's Soweto go in Jamaica, but I don't think it's Soweto go in Dominica because only
No,
time
no,
you
it
could
can't go so.
actually
I
hunt.
just me just have to so. Me just have to so. Me no know.
Yeah, man.
Me no know.
But
Me
no,
no quote me.
so that's Dominica. Imagine there is a village in Dominica. When the name is translated, it means shut up,
What's that?
which is funny. The name, so the name of the village is Pay Bush, and that, when loosely translated into English, means hush your mouth.
Mm-mm.
Yeah,
Listen.
you
Anyway,
know.
all right.
You ready for the
So you
next? You
don't
ready
know?
for the next
Yes.
country
So
now?
we want big up. We want big up. We have time. Time is against us. So have a next guest coming in, and a 1 hour for the show. So you don't know. So we have to keep it on a spice. But yeah, right now, guys, again, welcome to Yard and Abroad with Kate Sweetness. We have in the box. Make sure y'all hit him with a fave. Mr. CEO is representing the Dominican right now. Dominica. He's representing Dominica. He told us about his food, the culture. He gave us some of his music. Him recommend the springs. Them up 365 river. We there suffer with little bit of river. Think we have Wally river, but we don't really have Wally river. But again, Dominica have 365 river for every. Yeah. So before you leave, sir, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell us why. Why should people visit Dominica? And again, tell us where we can find you on the app, how often do you stream, the whole works, and you
So,
like give us a little about your business before you leave.
so I just loosely gonna say the reason to go to Dominica is if you want to enjoy yourself in a whole different vibe. And when I say a whole different vibe, not the regular tourist vibe, go down so. Cause you see the people friendly,
Mm,
everybody enjoy themselves, and when you see we partying hard. But before I even talk about this, I also represent the Isle of Spice. So I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of Grenada, real quick. This island, Grenada, is in the southern Caribbean.
real quick.
It's just a little north of Trinidad and Tobago. It exports a third of the world's cocoa and all that stuff. We have called to fame one of the baddest soca artists ever, ever by the name of Mr. Killer, and he dropped a tune something like I'll be here myself. Cause you know he in fact he is known for the song "Pick Up Something, Anything, Run, Run with it, Run." If you heard that song in Jamaica for Carnival, it came from Grenada, not Trinidad and Tobago. Do not get it twisted. That is a jab jab soca. The national dish of Grenada is oil dung. That's when they put cod, saltfish, hold on, breadfruit. You make some dumpling and you throw that all in a pressure cooker with pig meat, all kind of meat, and you put coconut in there and you bubble that. No, you want when it's for you to find out if it's cooked, you have to pull out the dumpling and hit it on the wall. If it doesn't make the pop song, it's not ready
Why?
yet. Right. If you want to follow me,
Why?
you
If me leave CEO, if me leave CEO, him no come out and
no, me gone,
you know
me
what?
gone.
The time run out
But
for me
make sure,
right now, cause I only have a limited, I'm a limited
right.
amount
So
of time,
so let
right?
me tell you this. Just follow me on Instagram at Giovanni Music. That's it. It's easy to follow me there. I stream on here not that often, but I will be soon. Look out for Caribbean Night coming soon. My name is the Chief Entertainment Officer, and this is how I'm leaving you.
All above yonder, yonder the party start. Years gone by, only maga girl just in the blind.
Representing Grenada.
So let me see and me and me ask myself why. Alright, and every model got a shape like a Coca-Cola bottle. Why? But this year that the back of my mind, what girl me want tackle. So let me tell you, I want that one girl, I want that rolling.
Well, wait there. Well, I'm there. Wait there. Hold it on. Don't call me a fat girl. I am not a fat girl. I am not a. Don't disrespect me. Don't disrespect me. Yeah. So again, welcome everybody to Yard and Abroad with K Sweetness, the culture. It's a culture show, guys. We linking Jamaica with everybody around the world. We teaching you about the Jamaican culture. What's going on in Jamaica? What's hot and what's not. Right now, coming to the box, coming to the box, coming to the box. I'm not telling a lie, I'm excited, but I guess I don't know if I'm excited like how me excited, but me excited. Now, this young man is a black VIP on this app, but not only that, he's a very successful young man in our country, called Jamaica. He's a simple, easygoing type of person. If you know him, you know him. And if you know him, you're lucky. You're very lucky to know him or to have even have him a little bit in a circle. He's a very humble, upbringing type of person. He good and him a represent we to the fullest. Come into the box right now. You know, he's a come to the box right now as soon as the something decide to load up is Mr. Just, just us. Just us. Are you
What's
there?
up? Talk to me.
Hey, well, the ex. Well, go on. You know, say in here, so we don't really talk English, so now we're worry yourself to speak too much English. I understand, say, you're trained and programmed to talk
Yeah, man,
proper
what's up,
English.
man? You hearing
Yes,
me,
so
right? You hearing me clearly?
loud and clear, loud and clear.
All
Everybody,
right, good,
again,
good,
welcome
good.
to Yard and Abroad with Kate Sweetness, where we bring to you the culture of Jamaica and our language. We teach a little language and stuff. In the box we have right now is the honor, Mr.
You can see how they
Justice.
call it. Pull up, pull up.
Yes!
All right, what?
Me excited, you're lucky, make me excited, make me excited, come me excited. Right, Justice.
Yeah,
So
man.
synopsis for you and the app before we get into anything.
Repeat that, because me not hear you.
Tell the people and both you and the app how long you been here, where they can find you, or after you stream. What do you
Um,
represent on this app?
Streaming and shooting. Streaming, shooting, sniping. That's it. Yeah.
If you don't check my board, I want to see the snipe, the shoot, and do something.
That's cool, man.
Then
Yeah,
come
yeah.
here,
So,
okay.
yeah, the app been around from high 5 days. I don't even know, something like that. But it's been around. Then they brought the streaming thing, similar to what my brethren from Grenada just said. Then I noticed that you could shoot gifts and go into battles and stuff like that, and gunnies and stuff like that, and those things were fun. You know, when during the verses, people talk a lot of smack, and you get in that, and you support the people that you meet, and it's a good place to find humble people, and you just never know who you're gonna meet. The thing about the social spaces, people don't know who you are, so it's easy for them to disrespect you, because you know they don't know or stuff like that. But I'm a humble human being, so I don't go around saying I'm this person or that person. But yeah, I'm Jamaican. Love to be love my country. Love the people of my country. I fight. I'm a human rights person, and I fight for freedom, rights, justice, and yeah, I'm a Rasta man, real as ever. Second generation Rasta too. So yeah, I would say that.
Hmm. Hmm. And what do you love to do for fun, Mr. Rastaman Ever? Bless. Bless.
Workouts.
Bless.
Yeah. So when I'm not doing my real job, if that's what you call it, I also work out. So I have my own gym. It's my private gym. I'm also a personal trainer. And in my spare time, that's what I do. And if I'm not doing that, then I'm doing music. So I'm always doing a
Right.
lot of things. Yeah.
He's a man, this to me. Not
You
disclosing
can't
too
tell
much. He's a man
Luna
of
get killed.
yeah. I know you can't talk. Yeah, say no more. Alright, so this man, as simple as he is, guys, he is a professional. Professional to the T. You can catch him early in the morning and you can catch him in the day doing another job. He wears many hats. Like me,
Yeah,
I said
man.
different hats.
Hey, man, you know
Right.
that
He,
if you all knew, if you knew about In Living Color, there was a skit called Hey, man. Yeah, I literally have more than 10 jobs. Literally.
literally, guys. And if you
Mm.
watch a TV, like who not have cable, I mean, I watch TV, but who watch on the TV and know, like if any Jamaican in here know and see him, look like uno not really understand. But yeah, this man wear different ads. He's a professional to the T. But not only that, you represent the inner city. Enough time when we grow up and them say nothing will come from ghetto no good, which is total crap.
Well,
As a
that
as a 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 successful businessman within the Jamaican diaspora, coming from the garrison, what
mm.
would you have to say to those people that would say something like that?
All right, so I have to say this though, you know, I don't come from the garrison though, right?
Kinda.
Yeah, but my father come from the garrison, so I have complete respect and understanding, because I respect my father and I love my father beyond.
Mm-hmm.
My father is my saving grace. And I mean, I always talk and I tell my story. I was a spoiled rich kid who get himself in trouble, and having got myself in trouble, one would think that the trouble I got myself into, that's it for you. Generally, people would say that because I mean, I don't have a problem telling people. It's a public knowledge. But I man go to prison 10 years of my life, and yeah, boom, you come home. If you want to call it deportee, you can say that. That's I'm fine with that. And you're home, and
Mm-hmm.
if you're in Jamaica, you know, there's nothing. Buju Banton would have sing the song. Ironically, he became a part of that. But if you know, you know. The stigma, the thing that come with that, they cast you out. They say you're the worst, and then two twos, boom. Um, my father said, keep at it, do what you must. I was doing the music. While I was doing the music, I went back to school. Before you know it, I'm big time lawyer in Jamaica. I don't have a problem saying that because I'm proud of that. And
Big time.
yeah, big time. Like no shame in my game. And
Big
while
time.
when that happened, like I said, one of my mission in life is to help ghetto youths, help people realize, black people realize that endless possibilities in Jamaica. You can be anything that you want to be, and when people get in trouble, it's not the end of it. So, like, I even sit on the returning residents, or if you want to call it the deportee committee with the British High Commission. I'm on the board. I assist people to reintegrate and get their lives back. I do that, and
Yes, Colin.
even this week in the news, you would have seen it with the little Rasta girl that they cut her hair.
Yes.
She's my client. Yeah, I'm always in the middle of these things and fighting, and that's what I do. Yeah.
He's bigger, guys. She's
So
just a
what
little
I would
client.
what I would
Okay?
have to say to people, you know, you don't give up. Everything, work towards fulfilling your dream. When you look at a Rihanna, when you look at Jay-Z, when you look at blackness, when you look at today, Ken, I don't want to say her name wrong, because my name weird, but hers too. Ken Jetta Brown, the Rasta, not Rasta, but the dreadlocks lady who became the first black Supreme Court justice in America.
Right?
That is
Talk about
that
that.
is that is
Talk about
yeah,
that.
that stuff touch my heart. So possibilities are endless. You know what I'm saying? So
Endless.
once you spread love, you show love, and you support. If when I come on this stream and I see people, and this is a space for them to stay out of trouble. So if when I see people streaming, at least I know them not out there doing what they're not supposed to do. So I support. So if you go on people's board, I'm clearing this up now. If you go on people's board and you see me high on the board, it's because I know you have a sense of people trying something with their life, and you assist them. If this is a hobby for some, but some persons, it keeps them out of trouble. And if this is what it takes to keep you out
Exactly.
of trouble, trust me, I'm gonna show up on your board. I'm gonna be at the gunnies. I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna help, because there's only one life, and that's me. Yeah.
Oh,
And yeah,
you
I
hear
talk
that?
a lot. My bad. So ask your question.
Listen, we know say you talk a lot is a job we can't help you to do it every day talk on TV, then you go and put the talk to
Yeah.
people them I represent people, so we understand. So again,
Mm.
guys, welcome to Yard and Abroad with Taste Sweetness Week, where we're a culture show where we talk about Jamaica, we inform you, educate you, enlighten you about the Jamaican culture
Wise
and
girl, so I have
language.
to wear my face so I cover your stream. Yeah.
Also, we also educate, inform, you know, and also link with people from around the world, teaching you their culture and their language. Right now in the box, we have an honorable man. He's a businessman, a very successful man within the Jamaican diaspora. He's very humble about it, but he's a big deal in Jamaica, whether you want to accept it or not. But he is a big deal in Jamaica. But being that you're a big deal in Jamaica, white tag, white tag,
Why? Like I say, it's
white tag.
the actual it started when one tag started to stream. I came on it one time. Somebody said to me that that you can go live and people shoot and there's a battle, and you can do I thought you could have done rap battles, like there were really people who could rap, but you find very little of that. But you will find a social group, whether it be poetry, whether it be spaces like this where you can talk and stuff like that. And then the versus side of it, like I tell you, let me tell you something. It's the only place you can bust gun. You can bust gun on time. And especially
Bust it up,
yeah, man,
bust
you
it up,
kill them. You
bust it
fly
up.
jets and black carpet, but you know K Sweetness.
Yeah.
It's more than a joy for me to do that, especially when the top badges and the top people think some small fry out of Jamaica who don't have no money, and no, I will empty your bag. Yeah,
Yeah.
you need backup. I will shoot.
If
Yeah,
you guys see my
endless.
little board, if you wanna
All
see my
right.
little board, and if you wanna look through my picture, you will see just us there representing to the fullest. He represents anyone he shoots for. He
Yeah,
represents to the fullest.
respectful.
But just us,
Yeah.
tell us what. what so like yeah, we know you're Jamaican, yeah, we know you represent Jamaica, yeah, you live here, but what makes Jamaican what about Jamaica that gives you that that you say you wanna switch like I know you must travel from time to time, even though you say you're deported, whatever. We know you travel from time to time
No,
to
I
different
travel.
places. I know so yeah.
I'm beyond that. I've transcended that, so that's why I can speak on it. That doesn't. I'm
Okay.
not barred. I can move. Have good freedom of movement. Um, what 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 awes me about Jamaica is that you can leave from any country and come to Jamaica, and you can become a millionaire and a billionaire, and you can make life here. Jamaicans don't know that, but I when I came back to Jamaica, I made life. I made life. And then there are people that will be upset because they start to say because you have your father, because you have your mother. No, but you can make life in Jamaica.
Mm-mm.
Like I said, I have 10 jobs. I can call them out, but it's not important. But you
No,
can make life
no.
here. That's one. The next thing is any ghetto youth can, if them have that talent, if them have the swag, if them have the thing. When I say ghetto youth, girl, guy, doesn't matter. You can go in the studio and you can put on your glasses, put on your wig, put on some nice clothes, everything irie, bust a tune and your next big thing. Like Skill Bang and Skeng and Jotty and and then they make more money than lawyers and doctors and they're not
Yeah.
stuck in the thing because one thing about Jamaica is Jamaicans we are free spirited. We have the ability to make something out of nothing. And so because we are from the artistic side, I think that the Africans who came to Jamaica are the artistic, creative set of people. Not saying, and it's throughout the Caribbean and the diaspora, but in Jamaica, trust me, track and field, reggae music, that's where we are. That's is talent. So no matter what it is, that's what I love about Jamaica is the talent and the ability to just the positive possibilities are endless. Can't bother talk about no beach
Yes.
and no this beach they everywhere that they everyday wear, but
Yeah, that's a regular
Jamaican,
thing. Yeah.
the people. Let me tell you something, man. The word is called, and here I was talking about French and all of that. It's called je ne sais quoi. Oomph. That's what Jamaicans have. And that's what I love. And I'm Jamaican, so I know I have that. I have je ne sais quoi. I have oomph. I'm confident. Um, I was telling them this week, every friggin' lock on my hair, each lock is worth $1 million. So this Rastaman ain't no Floxy Rastaman, and it is what it is. But yeah, I said what I said. I said it. That's how I feel about
All right.
myself.
Let me
Yeah.
calm down.
So I'm sure
Let me calm down. We're trying to calm down right now. We're trying to calm down again. Everybody, welcome to Yard and Abroad with K Sweetness Culture Show. Culture Show. We bring Jamaica to the app. We teach our language, our culture. We teach you everything about Jamaica. We lick about with Talawa. When we say we lick about with Talawa, we little. We're like a dot on the map. But not only that, we if you go every country, every state, everywhere in the world, there's a Jamaican representing to the fullest. We look about with Talawa, but not only that, within our tag community mix, we have Jamaican, yes, but we also have some respectable, honorable business, working class people representing the country to a higher level than some of us that are within our midst. And Mr. Just Us is one of the person representing our country, representing the culture. He loves music. He love music. He love dance. He love workout. He love represent people over. He's a people person. He no love drama. He no love clash. He no like nothing like them something there. And
mm,
I think like observing him so far, he uses this app to get away from the real life. Cause you can be yourself or you can be a little bit more relaxed when you're on the app. Because as him said,
yes.
a lot of people don't know you on this app. But guys, you get what I say? He represents us to the fullest. So just us. What your favorite food? What you love eat? What your favorite food to eat?
No, no, I can't tell you that right now. Favorite food? No, I can't tell you. So I consume fish Monday through Friday. But for real, I'm gonna tell you this, and I don't want look, top shelf a laugh. I'm gonna tell you this. If you want me sell out, just bring me some chicken. Yeah, I tell you straight up. Right, this Rasta man have to eat him chicken. You not for me KFC, you know, but you want me sell you out, just bribe me with some chicken. Yeah. Yeah, man, say me no fluxes. That is what it is. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Again, welcome everybody. We're doing extended version due to the fact that we started late today. Due to certain circumstances, we had to do a late start, so this is kind of an extended version. We have in the box him with the same. He's a sort of different. No, I sometimes see me, but yeah, yeah, he loves to work out. In, in bad important things, so don't call him fat. You know,
Yeah, yeah,
don't
yeah,
call
yeah.
him
Case
fat. You
speakers
hear me
call
say?
me fat
So if
one
you see
time.
him workout, him a me say me call the man fat and him vexing me and me never know till what day. And I can't believe
Yo,
this. I was
shout
punished
out.
for saying that. But
Yeah.
yeah, so where do you see yourself? Like, we know you're rich according to your locks, your wealth, you're a man of wealth. But where do you see yourself like 5 years from this?
Wow. 5 years. Wow, five. You go all the way 5 years. All right. So one, there's a big artist that are gonna free. So when him free, I don't know,
We can't
possibility.
talk. We can't talk. We can't
No,
talk.
so
Alright, we want
yeah,
to bust that
yeah, I
tea.
can talk.
We
I
can't bust
don't
that
care.
tea.
So
We want to bust that tea. We could bust that tea. Alright. Alright. We kind of did a calm down. We kind of did a keep it down. This young man, guys, in the box right now. Right now, this young man that you see in the box, he is the leading lawyer. Leading. You hear me say him a lead from the front. You see how humble him is? He's the leading lawyer to the Gaza man himself. Adisha. Vibes Cartel. Hammer.
oh
You know,
yeah,
say me
yeah.
know cartel from my yard and my name.
See them, we can't even say
I mean,
HMID
say
now.
Gaza.
You know, hide my
I mean,
identity.
say,
That's how.
no,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
say, yes, he is the leading lawyer for Mr. Cartel himself. And right now, I'm excited because me love, me
Yeah,
can't wait to,
so I'm
can't
focused
wait,
on that. So when
can't
I
wait.
do that, not if, when I do that, is yeah, infinity and
Yeah.
beyond. I'm on some Star Trek shit.
Whew,
Yeah.
whew, we got space together. Yeah, just put me in the suitcase, put me in our part, put me in our open. Just make we
Yeah,
got
so
space.
that
But
currently
yeah,
that's my mission in life, and I'm gonna achieve that. And when I do that, yeah,
yeah, yeah. Again, guys, welcome. We have a couple minutes left to go. Again, welcome everybody to Yard and Abroad with K Sweetness. We do this every Friday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Due to certain circumstances beyond our control, we had to do a late start. But to God be the glory, great things He has done. Our guests were here and ready to go up. And we have in the box, guys. Make sure y'all hit him in the face. Nobody fave him now because I'm telling you, fave him because he's an individual. And him not frightened for people. So no nobody run up and think that him a go run it. So take on the time with him and approach him with caution because he's a people. So him have to get him like get to know him like get to know people. So if you know
yeah,
and get to
man.
know him and you just want to run him, don't do it. So just tell me, what do you do like 100% now? Give us a fun fact about you that nobody knows right now.
Right now I have a single out with my brother. It's called Puts It Down. I'm not in the video because apparently the profession that I'm in, them not like say gala wine up on you. It's too vulgar, you know, like you can't hang out with Spice or something. But when me sure say when them in a them bedroom, them turn on the Spice and them turn on them cartel car, you can't. Me no know. You can't sex unless cartel on. You know what I'm saying? You can't. You need dancehall music for enjoy yourself. I'm just saying. So, but the profession, I mean, I couldn't be in the video, but the song is really good. It's called Puts It Down. It's currently in rotation, like it's now playing in the Jamaican space, but it it has done well so far in the, in the international space. I get good money from that. So in my spare time, like I said, I really focus on music. I play the guitar, I play the piano, um, and yeah, I'm those are the things that's fun for me. Um, and
Fun.
like I said, tag actually is my outlet. Like I tell you, this even this week alone, if you check the media, you will know it was a heavy week. And just to be able to come on live and I'm just us, no drama.
No
Yeah,
drama.
it's my
Nothing
sweet
but the
escape. So
people.
that's fun for me. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And you notice this man talk about him father, and listen, he has also. You see, him love music because that was brought down from inheritance. It's part of it. Music is in his blood. So him not
Yeah,
just
man.
talk about music because of music. It was a given from birth or from in the belly. Him father kind of wind up the part that in a yeah, wind up part of the coke in
Definitely
there.
not. Let me tell
Because
you.
his father is not a little man. We're not going at that. We're
No,
not going
man,
at that.
I don't have no problem. I like listen. I have no secrets, you know. Once you
Take your
Google,
time.
I'm all there. My father is Big Youth, the legend, the honorable, the most honorable Big Youth. And let me tell
His
you,
father is
right
big
there, when
youth.
I hear you like what people are saying it, but my heart was broken when I saw that they give Soldier the Grammy. People behaving like it's nothing, but they weren't there. They wasn't a part of foundation. They don't know how hard people like my father work for that type of music. They won't appreciate, like I was saying about how it is that yeah, I get a youth him not necessarily have to go school and get him degree, and it's not everybody gonna get the CXC and get for go UA, but because of the talent and when you think of a man like Jacure, who him have millions of dollars and him have him house, unfortunate what happened to him. But music
Yeah.
and your talent is a part of when you go to the Bible and you think about the Psalms and every Psalms David said to the chief musicians, a Psalm of David. It says that God's people through music and language is a universal language and Jamaican people blessed with it and these white
Mm-hmm.
people them come and them learn the craft and everything and now they want to slowly take it away from us and then them think that
Yeah.
I'm not racist. I just know how important it is to maintain something that belongs to us and cultural
Yes.
appropriation is just unacceptable. But that's another
Yes.
topic. But I'm just saying that so
Yes.
when it comes to what I see, like my life, my father is a ghetto man that put me in a space where otherwise I would be fighting to come out of that. But no, my father enhanced my life and caused me to enhance my youth them life and enhance life. I can help everybody. That's as if like how Superman have him 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 super X-ray vision and him this and money you need for have black people have money
Yeah.
that's the superpower and that's what I work for every
Mm-hmm.
day to increase my money so that I can help people. Even on target, you help
Right.
people
Right.
because if you can send
Right.
somebody 20 jets, you probably save them for the month. Them can go pay them rent and you don't feel no way. Simple as that.
Right. Right.
And
Right.
that's the thing that I appreciate about tag is that yeah, even though you never met somebody, but you can know if somebody need the assistance and your help if you can. and you don't ever
Right.
have to meet them. I haven't met somebody physically off tag. So, but at the same time, I've made connections like with you and many other persons that just it's just endless, and that is the key thing. And one of the things I try to get the Jamaicans and the Caribbean people to have that type of connections so that one day I can come on here and I see K Sweetness as a top badge. And she the same thing, you bring your people and the melting pot, which is why I didn't have a problem coming on this show. But again, like I always say, I chat too much, but it's my job. It's my day
We
job
love when
as
they
well.
chat.
So
We
that's
love
why.
when we love,
Yeah, but that's
we
the
love when they
energy,
chat. We love
and
when they
that's
chat.
the energy, that's the vibe, that's what I'm here for. I don't care what nobody else say or think. That's what I'm here for. To build and uplift